you doing that to your stick shift? No, and it leaked
You
inside.
destroyed. Oh.
That's gonna be such a pain to clean up.
Yeah, and it looks ugly now.
Oh, what are you doing? Okay, so what's the point? Now it looks like a golf club. Okay. Slicing it into pieces.
I'm just wondering if you wanted to make some upgrade of your car, just take it out and do it out of car.
Yeah, why would you do it in the car?
Okay.
What is the point of this?
To get our attention, I guess.
I guess it's to get our attention, yes. And it worked!
Why?
Sneaky buggers.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Piece of wood. Oh. By the end of the day, you want to make it out of wood.
They're making a wood stick shift, okay? Why?
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 You just don't take a piece of wood?
And wrap it.
And, yeah, shape it. But okay.
Okay, I'm not, you know what? Not judging. This
Yeah.
is judge-free zone. Zero judging here. We're gonna press this wood together
Yep.
so it's strong,
It's
sticky.
depressed.
It's depressed now.
Uh-huh.
Depressed wood, and we're gonna hurt the depressed wood by scraping it. Okay. More contact. Oh, his hair is interesting. Nice. Okay. Well, now it just looks like a door handle. What's the point?
To change your gearbox on the door handle.
I guess so, yeah. I mean, that would be cool for like an auto shop, I guess.
We'll see. Let's give him a chance.
Okay, sorry, we'll give him a chance.
Oh, he gonna use... If he will put a letter on it,
Yeah?
maybe.
Maybe.
Where?
With leather.
With a letter.
Hmm.
Leather.
It could be. But it looks uncomfortable still. It looks very rough. Maybe they're gonna varnish it. Leather paint. Okay. Why? Okay.
I have a lot of doubts around it.
Almost done. Okay, why do you have to tell us that? Just do it.
No, he got that we was bored.
Yeah, probably, yeah. Almost done. Please keep watching.
Almost done.
It's okay. It looks kind of nice. And then they add some stock footage tire smoking. Vroom!
Right.
Nice.
And it all done for driving, of course.
I like how they want us to think that they're actually racing like that, yeah. When it's just a guy sitting completely still, going like this.
You
Nice.
saw that video when the driver of the bus was changing the gearbox like so?
Oh, yeah. Polishing.
Uh-huh. Yes.
That is how you polish. With polishing.
Nothing special if you didn't know it.
Now you know.
Now you know.
To polish things, you polish things.
Yeah. And you can polish the paint with the small scratches as well.
Yep.
That's true. That's true.
It looks good. Okay. This is just car cleaning hacks. Scrub it up dub. Scrub it up dub. Yeah, it looks
No more
good.
comments.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, it's all about the scrub dub dub. If
If
you ever wondered what goes into the day of a car cleaner, then this is it. Before,
Yeah.
all gross. After, all not gross.
Okay, yeah.
Nice.
The cleaning.
Yay! I feel like they used a filter on the first one to make it look ugly.
I didn't notice it, but okay. He gave her some
A light so that
light
it flashes when something's coming up to it.
in a day. I mean, okay.
I don't know. Yeah, why not?
No.
Okay.
I think most probably it works for the night.
Probably for the night, yeah.
Yes.
But you don't get good lighting at night, so
Yes, that's why
they filmed it in the day.
so. You're welcome.
You're welcome for all these back scene tips.
So, oil to check the oil. Oh, recently I saw the video where a girl put water in an engine instead of oil,
Oh no.
and it burned. and
Yeah,
it
that would
spread.
not be good at all.
So, leave it for a professional just in case.
Yeah, that's why I always use olive oil in my car. Oh, there you go. Same thing, different style.
Okay.
But,
Yep.
but,
Sound effects of the car.
Hey, look at that.
Uh-huh.
You can. Okay. Ooh.
Oh,
That's not a good tire. It wasn't on fire. I don't see the need for that, but okay.
He just
Lifted up the car by himself.
Yeah.
This is a strong man. Eats a lot of protein.
you came up to this result. Tell us.
I don't know, a blade that was perfectly like a couple inches above the ground,
Yeah.
sliced into the bottom of the tire.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so that is my
makes
explanation.
Sense. That
Yeah.
makes sense.
Why? Why are you doing? Why?
You can take this one.
Yeah, you're ruining the other rim for no reason.
They could use that. I love you guys.
Guys, this is the epitome of everything. Wow.
Oh, but you should came up to this idea first of all.
I mean, it's
It's
impressive that they could,
genius.
actually get the perfect wheel shape with it. I guess if you want to give them any credit.
It's weird.
It's
I
really
agree
weird.
with
Okay,
you,
we get
but-
some nails.
Uh-huh.
Ooh, okay, for an interesting rim.
See the result here.
Now they're welding them all together.
Well,
It looks kind of okay, but at the same time,
how good they are.
the wheel is
With
like
the wheel,
the
of
strength.
course.
Yeah, I don't think it's going to be very strong with just that.
Because the wheel on your car, it's very important.
Yeah, and it takes a lot of weight, a lot of pressure.
Maybe it works, but wow, I wouldn't trust it.
Soap solution to slip it in there.
Yeah, to lubricate it and bam, bish, bash, bush.
Boom, 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 boom. Another boom. Maybe one more boom. Is that the last boom?
Maybe you wanna paint it?
Yeah, maybe paint it before you put it on the tire.
Yeah.
Or they're gonna show us another hack about how to paint it.
We'll see now. I already know the hack.
Yeah, I've seen. Ooh, that was cool. Okay, get your tire pressure all good.
Good.
Now it's time to paint.
Paint.
Okay, interesting technique.
Oh, it's not a paint. It's a foam to clean it.
And
the
there the hack is. The
Yeah, I knew about it. And it's actually practical hack. I
Yes.
tried this.
Yes. it looks.
Is it a fancy?
It looks kind of fancy. It doesn't look very strong. It doesn't look very stable, but it looks kind of fancy.
Put them on the car.
No,
us
we're just
that-
gonna show them rolling without a car. Oh, yeah. That's why you gotta watch to the end so you can find out that you can't actually use it.
Yeah, you solved the problem.
You saw the problem. You know the problem.
Interior. That's fine. Oh,
Ooh.
it works.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's good.
But need to be
Make your
careful.
old rubber look new rubber with heat.
Yeah. Once I screwed up with one of the car.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
did you
tried
burn
the
it?
same, but it was too much.
Oh,
for
so
my
you
side.
melted it?
Yeah, I melted. So be careful. It works, but.
Okay, a little spray paint.
Yeah.
Nice.
Your old brake system.
Looks good.
Okay.
Pretty brakes.
Yeah, it doesn't work.
Don't do that. Yeah. Okay, that's one way to put your gas in,
Yeah.
or just use a normal petrol pump.
Go to the gas station.
Oh, we tried this. It actually works. You can clean up your gunk in your car pretty good.
But what's the point doing this there? In a cup holder.
Because-
Why you didn't do it in?
Because it's easier. You just like swish it around. I don't know. I did it outside of the cup holder, but
Okay. You did well.
thank you. Okay, so I guess we're only gonna paint around this, or what?
Interesting idea about painting,
Ah.
but no, they just wanted like.
A blue rim? Okay.
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 I mean, I wouldn't.
So they're getting
Like
the wheel.
somewhat okay.
They're painting around it.
Mm-hmm.
I've had the same wheel cover on my my steering wheel forever, and it's almost destroyed now. But I'm so comfortable with it. I can't imagine holding another wheel cover.
Yep, but it's destroyed.
It's destroyed. Yeah, it's like it's in pieces.
It's already get shape of your.
It has
finger.
my finger shape on it. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
but maybe you. Want
Maybe I use this. Yeah, I should probably use this. Looks pretty. I don't know why you need that, but if you need it, whoa! Who's that? Who's that devil? Who's that devil right
He
there?
left us.
He left us.
And now he filmed
In the van.
in a van.
So it looks like he's up to no good.
Uh-huh.
What is he doing?
And it's a bullshit.